Here's your 2014 Kia Sorento all-wheel drive. Really nice car, leather loaded, heated seats, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, a little bright out with the sun, but you can see you got your steering wheel controls, also for your Bluetooth, automatic transmission, nice dual zone heater. Leather's in great shape, front and back, also the back seat. I know it's a little bright, sun's actually out right now. Car is extremely straight, plenty of cargo area in the back area here. Nice wheels and tires. Very clean car. Very nice car, can be yours today. Come down and give us a look.